Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for taking your time by being here and watching today's video. Today I'm excited to share with you some super easy budget-friendly tablescape ideas, as well as a DIY extreme glam flower arrangement that you can use for your home for decorations or a birthday party or wedding centerpiece. I always like to start with any of my decorating by first cleaning and vacuuming the space that I'm about to work in. This way it's just like a clean, clear canvas ready to be worked on. Then after, I like to wipe and vacuum one more time once I am done with decorating. But before we continue with this video, I'm so excited to share with you guys this awesome, convenient, and portable mug warmer set from IKAGO. I have collaborated with IKAGO to share some tea time with you all. I am simply impressed with this product. Where has this product been all my life? Lately, I have been under the weather and this mug warmer set has been my favorite. Before this mug warmer set, I have boiled and made some of my favorite ginger honey lemon tea, and every time I would need a refill, I honestly would need to reheat it on my stove. But now having this mug warmer set made it so easy and convenient for me to have constant, perfectly warm tea at my disposal. This mug warmer set is smart temperature controlled and can be used to keep your coffee, milk, tea, hot cocoa, basically any liquid that needs to keep warm. Honestly, I even think this is perfect for keeping melted chocolate fondue for s'mores time, as well as melted cheese for your cheese board and wine get together, or for your warm cheese nacho dip, since you can also use your own preferred mug with it. I love how versatile this product can be. I cannot wait to try more ideas with this mug warmer set. This mug warmer is equipped with an infrared sensor that can gauge and display your beverage real-time temperature. The temperature reading ranges within 1 degree up to 175 degrees. This ensures that your beverage is always at the ideal drinking temperature, and it can also switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It also has an automatic turn-off feature that stops heating when cup is removed and resumes heating when cup is replaced within 15 minutes. I also love how chic and sleek this set looks. Not too small or too bulky, which is also perfect for the hubby to take to the hospital for his night shift coffee craves, keeping his coffee perfectly warm throughout the night. IKAGO represents an intelligent life with warmth, whether relaxing alone or spending leisure time with friends and family. IKAGO is committed to providing the most suitable temperature with new technology. Its mission is to add beauty of life with exquisite design so that everyone can enjoy the slow pace of time in between busy work, injecting hope and igniting passions for the new day. They have also provided you, my glam family, with a 20% off discount. If you also want to have perfectly warm beverage at all times, or simply want to gift this to your loved ones for them to enjoy, I'll provide IKAGO's info on the description box below. Thank you, IKAGO, for partnering with me for part of this video. Now let's get back to our glam dining room tablescape. I sincerely hope that this video provides an inspiration and motivation for your glam decorating for your dining room. I hope it gives you ideas on how to set up and arrange your very own flower arrangement simply for your home or for a special occasion. Again, thank you so much for being here. If you want to see how I've created and set up this dining room, then please continue watching. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope this video gave you the motivation and inspirations to also create a glam dining room tablescape with the ideas that I have shared. Thank you for having some tea time with me. Don't forget to check out IKAGO if you also want to keep your tea perfectly warm. Please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. I'd sincerely very much appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. I would love to have you be part of the Glam family. Have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I hope to see you on the next one. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!